Every single year, millions of worn-out sneakers are thrown away, destined to sit in landfills for centuries. But inside these high-tech recycling facilities, your beaten-up running shoes are being resurrected. They aren't being destroyed, they are being transformed into the very ground that future athletes will play on. Welcome to FlowFctry Built. The journey starts at global recycling hubs, where thousands of pounds of donated and discarded shoes arrive daily.
The unsorted mountain of footwear is loaded onto massive industrial conveyor belts to enter the processing matrix. Advanced optical scanners map each shoe, preparing them for the most crucial step of the process: separation. Because rubber, foam, and fabric cannot be melted together, the shoe must be completely dismantled. Heavy-duty automated blades slice through the shoes with terrifying precision, splitting them into 3 distinct layers.
The rubber outsoles, the foam midsoles, and the fabric uppers are sent down completely separate processing lines.
We follow the most important element for the courts: the tough, shock-absorbing rubber outsoles.
They are dropped into primary shredders, where interlocking steel teeth violently tear the rigid rubber into fist-sized chunks.
Powerful electromagnets sweep over the shredded chunks, pulling out any hidden metal eyelets or structural steel shanks. Next comes secondary granulation. The chunks are ground down even further into fine, uniform rubber granules. This creates a pure stream of recycled rubber crumb, a material that retains all of the shoe's original bounce and grip. Meanwhile, the foam midsoles are ground up and blasted through pneumatic gravity tunnels to separate out heavy impurities. The fabric uppers are violently tumbled until they break down into a soft, cloud-like fluff used for padding.
But the magic truly begins when these refined materials are shipped to the court construction site. Inside industrial mixers, the recycled rubber granules are combined with a thick, weather-resistant polyurethane binder.
The mixture is churned until every single rubber particle is perfectly coated in the sticky adhesive. This heavy, wet mixture is poured directly over a prepared concrete foundation to form the base layer of the court. A specialized paving machine rolls over the mixture, compressing it into an ultra-smooth, perfectly flat surface. Skilled technicians use steel trowels to manually smooth the edges, ensuring there are absolutely no bumps or air pockets. The polyurethane binder takes several days to cure, locking the recycled shoe rubber into a solid, highly elastic mat. Once fully cured, the dark rubber base is sealed with a thick white primer, preparing it for the final aesthetic transformation. High-friction, weather-resistant acrylic sports paint is sprayed over the surface in vibrant, custom colors. Finally, precision line painting machines lay down the crisp, white boundaries of the professional basketball court. What started as a chaotic, filthy mountain of worthless, discarded footwear has been completely reborn.
It is now a high-performance, shock-absorbing arena, saving millions of shoes from the Earth's landfills,
providing the perfect grip and bounce for the next generation of athletes. If you found this transformation satisfying, hit the subscribe button to see how the world is really made. Thanks for watching FlowFctry Built.